Show me what you've got.
I'll do it up later.
Did you turn that back right way because you're upside down?
Yes, it's on the right. There's a cardboard. Look.
Trays.
Trays. Okay, I have books. I have some books. Foodi guide and instructions. That's all right, that'll be that for it. You know, pull that. Oh, that's heavy, isn't it?
Another new toy, Gordon.
Yeah, it's your toy. It's not mine.
Oh, I get to cook with it. Oh.
Well,
And of course, it's a ninja.
it's Norman the Ninja.
Norman Ninja. There's another ninja. And another ninja.
And another one through by.
Oh yeah, and one hidden in the other room. Oh, there's a lot of trays. This is much bigger actually than this. Oh.
Don't run out of train.
And I like that these elements are covered over. The last one we had wasn't. And the fan at the back, the last one had the fan at the top, and that was a right royal pain in the butt. Kept blowing food everywhere. The surround tray.
Okay, you've got the drip tray, or the crumb tray, if you want to call it. Right. What we have with it is the neck tray. Just plug it in for now. 2 wire trays. We have roasting tray, and that fits on top. It's for the roast again, for the roast drip tray sort of thing.
Does it work?
Does it work? The big question. Oh no, I'm drinking coffee now instead of wine.
Too early in the
Foodi.
day.
The 10-in-1 multifunction oven. Let's switch on, see what happens. Oh,
The controls are all on the handle there.
you can see, look. So, you select the function. We have grill, air fry, whole roast. The whole roast, the air circulates all around it from underneath and anywhere, so you don't have to turn it, nor do you have to rotate it. Normal roast, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate.
We've got a cookbook and a little instruction booklet.
Right, the grill mode.
I've lost it.
Yeah, temperature gauge, you can set to high or low. And each level you're selecting will tell you which rack to put it on. So for grilling, you'd go on rack 3. They are marked up the side, so that's 1, 2, 3. So for grilling, you'd use that level. and the light comes on every time you do it, or you can bring it on when you want it.
That's good, you can see it when it's cooking.
Yeah. Air fry, level 3, or you can go to 2. If it's 2 levels, it's 2 and 4. We'll just set it for 1 for now. Time, select the time and select the temperature you want, and I believe it goes down to 120 for the air fry to 230, so it's quite a high temperature for that. The next function is whole roast. Oops, wrong way. Whole roast. Again, it's telling you to put it on rack 1, which is the bottom rack. And as I said, the whole roast, the air comes from all sides at the way it circulates, and heating from the bottom and the top. And you use this rack. If you put
It's like
it,
a drip tray.
it's a drip tray, yeah. It'll catch all the fat,
Yeah.
stop it smoking, and
Looks quite sturdy, that.
yeah, very sturdy. Again, you can set the temperatures. Roast, just normal roast. Temperatures as you want it. And with it, you can go to 2 racks, and it tells you rack 1 and rack 3. Obviously, you can select the temperature and times to suit. Bake. 1 and 3 levels. Again, you can temperature will go down to 80 or up to, how far is it going to go?
Probably 230, I think, or 220 or something.
Yeah, it goes up to 230. Pizza, rack 3, or if you want to do 2, again, it's rack 1 and 3.
Come on, be real, what's most people going to use that for? What are most people going to use this grill for?
Pizza! Definitely. Toast. Oh yeah, toast. Right, on the toast, you can select the shade. 1 to roasted, burnt, cremated. And if you select the time function, you put in how many slices you want.
Maximum
of 9. Again, 9. Or you can only do it in the 1 level.
I'm not sure I'll fit 9 of my bread on one of them.
No, I think you might get maybe 4 slices of good old Scottish plain.
Yeah, a good size 4.
Bagel. Does anybody eat bagels these days? I
Yeah,
suppose
lots
so.
of people eat bagels. They're very
Again,
trendy.
the same as toast. You can do 9 bagels.
Okay, yeah, well
And
that would
different-
actually make more sense because
Yeah.
you fit 9 bagels on easier then.
And the same as shade.
Yeah, so it's just like the toast function.
Aye. Reheat.
Reheat says it all. It gives you a set temperature in 10 minutes, so you can work on that yourself.
So you can go down, I
Yeah.
believe you can take it down to 40.
I think you can adjust all of the...
Yeah, most of it. Limited.
Dehydrate, we've no idea. We tried it once on another girl. It took like 10 hours for a tomato.
Yeah, 6
So-
hours.
I don't know about dehydrating.
No.
I probably won't use that.
So they also recommend that you keep everything in and you put it on the air fry for 20 minutes just to give everything a nice burn off once you've given them a clean wash.
Take off all the oils. Okay. So you wash the trays first and
Yeah,
then... And
clean.
So we're
clean
going
them
to
all.
wash the trays and get back in then.
And we'll put it on the air
And
fryer.
switch on. Okay. Okay.
Right, we've just given the trays a wash. And they're solid. We'll put them in.
They sit on a rack.
Oh,
They sit
yeah.
on a rack.
Okay. These do not slide in, they just
Baking
put
trays.
on, as I've just found out, on a rack. And we'll just put that up there. In fact, we'll bring it down a level. And what they recommend is you put it on roast for 20 minutes for 230. And we'll start.
That'll burn all the manufacturer's oils and things off. And then Gordon will try some toast.
Yes, we'll make some toast.
We'll be back.
Okay, we're back. It's had it 20 minutes heating up. You need to watch it a bit on the warm side.
This top and the sides get really very hot while it's cooking, so it has to be kept well away from children, animals. We've got it here on top of our cooker at the moment, but we'll be putting it away in a safe corner. And Gordon's going to be brave and try some toast.
First of all, what I will say, it's quite a heavy wee machine. It's about £30 in weight, which for the new manage is 13 kilograms. Allowed 16 inches for the width, depth, whatever you want to call it, by 17 inches by, do it from the bottom, from the table, 13 inches to the top. The interior is
very hot.
Very hot.
Don't do it, Gordon.
14 inches wide.
10.
Usable from the rack, right? 8.5 inches. And depth,
No, don't.
I'm not going to even put my finger in there.
No, don't go in there.
But it will be in the region of 11 inches according to the racks. So what we're going to do now, just to get it working, we'll do some toast. We'll do a couple of slices of toast, and I'll get my glove on because it's going to be hot.
You need a rack. Does it just go straight on?
Yeah. So you can do both sides.
Okay.
It's frozen, so I'm not sure how this will come out frozen.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to
And
bear.
it's thick bread. Tiger bread.
Let me just check. Right. Function. Toast. Rack level 3. We'll just check the rack level. 1, 2. Yep, we're on level 3. 2 slices. And we'll put it to 5. And see how it goes. Because it's frozen, I think we'll put it to a 6, eh? And we'll see how that turns out. We'll bring you back when the toast is done. Be about 5 minutes. Okay. Right, because the bread was frozen, I gave it an extra 2 shades.
Which is 2 minutes, is it?
Which, yeah,
Yeah.
it seems
Each shade is about a minute.
it's about a minute.
But I think if that was fresh bread, it would have taken about 5 minutes.
See, it's done on
Both sides.
both sides. Give it a buttering and give it a potato.
Real toast.
There we go, the inside's nice and soft.
Okay.
Something like that.
Good. So we approve.
It does toast.
I haven't tried it yet for anything else, but it looks much bigger than the last version we had, which wasn't a Ninja. and it was really messy to cook in, and the elements were exposed, which was a bit of a worry. I don't know why they didn't have a cage on them. But the Ninja looks good, so we'll update you. Thank you. Bye.